Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today's video is sponsored by Anicekiss Human Hair Wig. So before I go ahead and unbox the wig, I'm first of all gonna put my hair in cornrow. So my hair is quite dry now, so I'm going to use one of my favorite moisturizers, which is olive oil serum. So I'm going to press in a good amount of it into my hair and massage, so it will just be easier for me to comb. My hair is half relaxed, half natural now, so it's a bit difficult for me to manage because of the tips. The tips is quite, I don't know, my hair got damaged because I used texturizer. Last time I used texturizer, it really badly damaged my hair, so I'm transitioning to natural hair. Right now I'm adding my peppermint oil for, I just like the oil because I have dry scalp condition as well as my daughter, so the oil kind of help with the flakes and the dandruff. Yeah, the dandruff is the dry scalp, so yeah. Right now I'm gonna go ahead and start the cornrow. I'm gonna be having about 6 cornrows, so it's gonna be big cornrows for the purpose of this week. So yeah, I'm gonna just make big cornrows. If this is your first time coming across my channel, please do well to subscribe if you haven't. Give the video a huge thumbs up if you like it. Let me know what you think in the comments. I really appreciate it. So guys, I'm just gonna allow you guys to watch the video while I put my hair in cornrows. Guys, now I'm done with the cornrow, so I'm gonna go ahead and wear my wig cap. This is just gonna be a regular way of putting on your wig. I'm not gonna be using any bonding, any wig glue. I'm just gonna put on the wig like this because I don't really like glue and all those things. So this hair is 100% human hair, and it came with these eyelashes. I'm not really an eyelash person. I've never put on eyelashes before. So the hair feels so soft and nice. It's really light. I'm just gonna remove the nets. Guys, this is out from the box. I've not added anything to it yet, and it has these clips to hold it. So this is what the inside looks like. I'm just gonna go ahead and wear it so you guys can see what it looks like. It's quite very easy to wear, and I like the lace. See, it looks so natural. I don't really have to go ahead and use gel, glue and all those things. It's so easy to wear. And now I'm just gonna cut the excess lace using my scissors. Gently. This is how best I like to wear my wig. I don't like to put glue because at the end of the day I'm just gonna pull it off and sleep. I don't like sleeping with bonnets. That's another thing. So yeah, I'm just cutting off the excess lace. The hair actually feels so light. I didn't expect it to be this light and full. It's quite full. Guys, see how natural it looks. I love it, guys. You can go ahead and use glue to hold yours, but I feel like it's very comfortable like this. I don't need any glue, anything to hold it. It's just so nice. It feels perfect, guys. And the back, I'm gonna cut off the lace as well, and it looks this way. So guys, yeah, this is the wig. I'm gonna do a pattern, make an opening here and comb it. So now I've not added anything to the hair, but I'm gonna go ahead and spray the oil. This is just my regular wig oil to give it a bit of a shine. Guys, I love it. This is absolutely one of my best wigs, if not my best wig so far. So I'm gonna leave the link in the description for you guys to check it out. If you want to buy, I'm gonna be leaving the link for you to buy it in the description box. I hope you like it. If you like it, please like it. Okay guys, we've come to the end of this video. I'm gonna leave you guys to have a wonderful day. Bye.